Friendsters edition ng Shout Out! Ito guys, labanan na naman ng Creative Fun Arts dito sa Paskong Pasko. Kaya kasama na natin sina Demi and Michelle. Sa'yo, Aries.
But with me now, kasama ko dito si Trisha, Kester, and Michelle. Alright guys, kwento naman kayo. Ikaw, Trisha, sino ba yan?
Robbie siya po.
Do you like them so much?
Oo naman.
Oo naman. What about you, Kester?
Yeah.
Jandy po, mag-best friend.
Your best friend?
Mag-best friend si...
Akala ko your best friend eh. What about you?
Ang Diyosa ng kagandang si Trisha at ang
Joso. Kung may Josa, may Joso. That's
Kung may
very
Diyosa,
cool,
may
ha?
Diyosa.
hari ng kagwapuhan si Ivan!
Yeah!
Trisha and Ivan. Ang ganda
O, ikaw,
ng mga
Lynn.
fan arts nyo.
Yes, Lynn?
Aaron,
Jason.
sila ang interviewin mo,
Tell me
hindi
about
si
your
Lynn,
fun
ha? Ikaw
arts.
talaga.
Oh, Jamli!
Jamly naman.
Yeah,
Trisha.
Jamly.
And Demi, ikaw naman.
Hello, si Baby Bianca nila Jenny, Amay, at MJ.
Yay!
We love you! I love you too. I love you too. Ang pinakabonggang fan art ay kay Jason!
Congratulations!
Ito para sa'yo.
Yan.
And Bianca.
At ngayon naman, pakikiligin tayo ng dalawang resident cuties dito sa Shoutout!
That's right. Mukhang mayaharanahin pa sila. Itodo na natin ang kiligan this Christmas with Trisha and Yan. Eto na sina, Sam and Robbie!
It's the time of year when good friends are near, trying hard to find a quiet moment, sharing love and joy, children with their toys. Sadness fills my heart to see you go. Christmas won't be the same without you. Christmas won't be the same if you go. All I need to see standing by my Christmas tree. Christmas won't be the same without you. I remember when times we used to spend walking hand in hand until the sun sets. Then came Christmas Eve, the wish you gave to me. How I wish I tried to make you stay. Christmas won't be the same without you. Christmas won't be the same if you go. All I need to see standing by my Christmas tree is you. Christmas won't be the same without you.
Hello there, teammates! Ako si Yen Santos ng Friendsters! Sa PBB Teen Clash of 2010 din po ako nagsimula mag-showbiz. Matagal ko nang gustong mag-artista. Pero kung hindi, gusto ko rin maging flight stewardess. Okay, fasten your seatbelts! At ang dream leading man ko ay si Coco Martin! Dahil ang galing-galing niya umarte at ang cute-cute pa niya. Bagay ba kami? Mahilig ako sa fashion, kaya pagdating sa damit, gusto ko fashionable. I love shoes, I love bags, I love clothes. Mahilig din ako mag-molly. Mga bagay na dapat yung malaman sa akin. Hindi ako marunong mag-chopsticks. Takot din ako sa mga aso kahit sa mga tuta lang. And I love watching horror movies kahit ako lang mag-isa. Pero syempre, mas masaya pag may kasama, di ba? Like si Coco Martin. Ang shoutout ko ay I am who I am. Kaya always be yourself. Ako po si Ian Santos at ito ang aking